You're crazy if you think you don't have the same ability as a Beyonce, a Kevin Hart, or some big celebrity that when they walk in the room, their energy speaks for themselves without them having to say a word. Or maybe you may know somebody personally or that runs a company or a business, and you notice how everyone just submits their energy off the strength. Or how they be saying Duke Dennis just got silent Riz. It's really just an aura to energy. If you're new to the channel, my name is KO. I'm a self-development and spiritual mindset coach, and I teach you how to become powerful and step into your ability if you're a chosen one. Chosen ones are people that's here for a higher purpose. In this video, what we're going to talk about is how to use your aura to influence people without having to say a word. Now, I'm going to be honest, bro. I remember I used to study this, like how the hell do people have this power? Now, if you're someone who's influential or you want to be great in life, you understand that having this ability is something that's highly, highly desired. Who doesn't want to be a person of importance? Who doesn't want to walk in a room, people just automatically feel their energy? So the thing about having aura is it's a very strong thing. It's something that we all feel, but not everyone says. Like, you ever go out in public, if you're somebody who has a strong aura, you probably go out in public, people look at you twice. Or there's somebody that you may see in public and you look at them twice, or like there's something about them that you don't know what it is. It's something covertly. Some people have strong energy and some people have a silent, confident energy. That's what aura is. Aura is that level of inner work, that level of inner confidence. And we live in a world where everything is energy. So we feel people off of energy. You connect people off energy. You ever been in a room with somebody and you get this anxiety in the room? It's because there's an energy off them that does not resonate with your spirit. Like when we are in the room with people, bro, 90% of human communication is nonverbal. It's energy. It's mindset. It's the eyes, bro. You know, they say eyes are the gateway to the soul. Like those are covert signs that someone has an aura that is effective. And when you come in a room, people either submit to it, respect it, or question it. And I'm gonna be honest, I've worked on my aura. I've done things to make myself have a certain energy to when I go in a room, I see how people act. I see how people's body language shift. I see how people perceive me. And it's actually an amazing feeling, especially when you've been putting that work in and you want to have that level of respect from your peers or people in rooms where you want to be taken serious, like for business, and you're trying to get your room, your names in rooms that you have some foot in. There's a certain level of aura you gotta have. Now, I'm not saying I'm like Duke Dennis power, but like I'm damn near there. But some tips that you can use so that way you can have a strong aura is one of them is meditation. If you're someone who's been watching my channel for a long time, you know that meditation has been my key thing to everything. Meditation is extremely powerful, and it's not just you sitting there in your silence and just looking crazy. It's the ability that you're going within yourself. The more you go within yourself, the more you have a better relationship with you. When you have the better relationship with you, you are naturally stronger, because that means no one can go against you. No one can tell you different. No one can manipulate you to thinking anything different about yourself, which naturally makes you a power, naturally makes you powerful in the human realm. Because the people that do not thrive in the human realm are people that follow everyone else. They can't think for themselves. They get manipulated. They can't make the moves in the world that can make people follow them. They're not able to be leaders. Leaders, what do they have in common? Growth mindsets. They have a strong aura, a strong mindset. They have emotional intelligence. They have strong awareness. They understand who they are. When you know who you are, nobody can tell you anything different. Another thing, energy exercises or visualization. Visualize yourself walking into a room and people feel this way about you. Visualize yourself doing things that make you feel powerful. Visualize yourself in a level of success that you desire to be in. Because I want you to know that your imagination is a stronger thing you have as a spiritual being having a temporary human experience. And the more you tap into your power to just manifest what you want, be what you want, you're going to see everything fall together for you. And I'm speaking from personal experience. Like, there's been things that I spoke out, I wrote down on paper, I visualized in my meditation. This came in real life. And people around me can merge that. And it's crazy because like you could think like, man, this really happened. But that's because you got to have that trust in your ability, because you watching this video, you're a chosen one. Comment down below if you're a chosen one. You have this ability. Now, how do you use your aura to be influential in social settings? So whenever you go in a room like a party, a meeting with a bunch of people in the suits, you go to a school, college, fraternity, sororities, whatever it might be, anywhere where you're going to be respected and you're going to be looked at as deemed powerful. The most important thing that I like to do is eye contact. I even do this in public too, bro. If you find yourself catching eye contact with somebody, don't be the first one to break. Literally be the more down eye contact person. And when you're talking to somebody, look them in the eye. Do you ever notice, because we all have encountered people that when you talk to them and that person, if they keep good eye contact while they're talking to you, that gives you like, oh shit, like this person's like about their stuff, like they know what they're talking about. It's a level of confidence that people can feel that doesn't have to be said. Eye contact says 1,000 words. Eyes are the gateway to the soul. Always remember that. And this is some game right here. If you made it this far in the video, this is some free game. Look into their left eye. The left eye is connected to like the more emotional part of the brain or something like that, where it makes a person feel heard and something. I might put it right here, but I can't really like remember why they say look into the left eye when you speak to them. I just started doing it more and more, and I've seen that it has more influence on the people I talk to when I'm trying to impact. Another one is your posture. Like I said earlier, 90% of humans' communication is nonverbal. So your body language says everything. So if you just slouch like this, you know what I'm saying, your shoulders like this, and you're just in there, like you don't seem confident confident. Or if you standing like this, closed off body language and bad posture shows low confidence. It shows you're closed off, you're scared, or you're not comfortable. Now, when you're in a room, or especially if you're a man watching, you go around women, or you go in a social situation where there's other men, or there's other people that are alpha or being respected, the best thing you do is have your chest up, your chin up, good eye contact, and if you can, have open body language. Or when you're speaking, speak with your hands. You can speak and be animated with your hands when you're speaking. It shows confidence. It shows that you're more, people trust you more when you use your hands. It's weird. It's like a psychological thing. And when you could be on the couch just chilling like this, you got your legs a little bit wide open, you know, you just chilling like this, you know what I'm saying? It screams confidence because you're open, you're receptive to whoever's talking to you, and you're not closed off, and it makes people feel more comfortable around you. And this is some game you can use on women too, or if you ever just chilling with women, like, so, like women's like worst fear is like a guy being a murderer. So if you want to make a woman feel fucking comfortable, just you be comfortable, because women are very intuitive. It goes off of the energy of what you got going on. So nigga, if you just chilling like these, you know what I'm saying, and you just on some chill stuff, you not like on the extra, she gonna feel that energy off of you, and it's gonna make her feel more comfortable. That was a little tangent, but that's a little bit of game for the boys. You watching, feel me? And hit that like button, bro. I got y'all. Free game. Like for example, bro, the best person I can think of for this is Duke Dennis. The big drop, yeah, feel me. Bro, Duke Dennis, bro, everyone, if you don't know who it is, look him up. He was going viral on the internet for a long time for having unspoken riz. And all that really was is just he has an aura that is so strong that he doesn't have to say a word and people can feel it, and the woman ate that shit up. All it was is that Duke Dennis understood that he has inner confidence. He has a level of status that he worked hard to get, which already put him in a level of respect. But him just not saying anything and walking with confidence, his posture's nice, and he hold good eye contact. You look at a girl, just hold eye contact. He might just smile. He walks. She ate that shit up. It's unspoken riz, but it's really just aura. It's energy. Everything is energy. People can feel the confidence off of you. You cannot fake energy, bro. You can walk around here trying to be big macho man, but the people, you can tell somebody ain't really about what they talking about based off body language, how they look, bro. You can't fake that. So if you really want to be having that Duke Dennis type level, because everybody got it, bro. Duke Dennis ain't no different from you. He's still human. You just have to step into the inner confidence. You got to realize who you are. That's why I say it's important to meditate, go within yourself, learn who you are, journal, ask yourself questions, look at your birth chart. All that stuff is real, bro. Like, we have tools and resources to learn about yourself, learn about who you are, learn why you do the things you do, why you don't do these things, why you like that, why you don't like that, what you will accept, what you won't accept, have boundaries, have values, have morals, understand what you will take and what you won't take, and that's how you have the utmost confidence within you. And the most important thing I'll tell you is the more free game that I should be charging y'all for is when you tell yourself you're gonna do something, do it. Do not tell yourself you're gonna do something and you don't do it, because all you're doing is you're literally breaking down that relationship you have with yourself. You're not gonna trust yourself every time you tell yourself you're gonna do something and you don't do it. That will literally ruin your aura. That will ruin your vibe. You will never have a strong aura if you don't have a good relationship with yourself. Some other things that will really ruin your aura, like it's like that lack of self-awareness. If you are like unaware of who you are, if you're unaware when you make somebody feel upset, if you're unaware when you're being an asshole, you need to start being more self-aware. If you want to learn to be more self-aware, go check out some videos on my YouTube. I talked about it before, but self-awareness is key, bro. If you want to become more self-aware, you just need to start meditating more, bro. The more you go through yourself, the more you start to think in the present moment. Also, all you gotta do is just think in the present moment. When you do something, just think about why you're doing it in that moment. Stop thinking about the future. Stop thinking about the past. You're about to punch this person in the face. It takes a lot of mental strength, but when you have that present moment mentality, okay, I am about to punch this person in the face because I want to, not because I'm doing it off of anger. When you have that level of self-awareness, it's going to take you very far. Your aura is going to be strong. You know how to control it in a room. You know when to speak. You know when not to speak. You know when to say this and when not to say that. You know how to vibe and temperature check the room. This is a level of emotional intelligence and social awareness that I can't really teach. You got to kind of just experience it and do it and put yourself in a situation. But those are just some like small key points and some things that you can do to really increase your aura, and use that without saying a word, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I haven't used this my whole life. Ask people that know me, ask people that are around me. People have experienced it, seen it firsthand. It's something that I do subconsciously now. I've worked on myself enough where I can have these results, and it's not even to where I want to be. I had just worked on it a little bit. But y'all comment down below which one of those resonate with you, which one you're gonna use in your next social interaction. Press the like, subscribe button so you never miss another video like this. I'm helping y'all take control of yourself, become the best version of yourself as a chosen one, and reach a level of success, okay? I love the Alchemist gang. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.